Hello everyone, welcome to Gobel Power, and this is Suki. In today's video, I will teach you how our lithium battery pack is communicating with the inverter. Now here is 3 pieces of our JK314 16 kWh lithium battery pack. The BMS is using JK BMS. And here you can see all the positive electrode is connecting together, connecting to the bus bar. And here we use the flexible bus bar for you to as a show. And you need to buy a professional bus bar to connect each positive electrode. And each negative electrode will connect to the negative bus bar. And this connection option is more better for each battery. The currents and the voltage are the same. And compare with the parallel option of each battery, this way can better for the battery lifespan, and control each battery is the same SOC. And before connecting, we need to put down all the circuit breaker. And we need to make sure that all the SOC of the batteries are the same. This is very important point for the battery lifespan. And next, we will start to show you how we connect each batteries, and show you how the inverter is communicating with the batteries. Okay, now our engineer will start to connecting. Here we connect the negative to Okay, now we start to complete the communicating of each batteries. Here, before connecting, we need to make sure that the RS485B is empty, and we need to plug into the RS485C. And the second battery is RS485B. Here, C, plug to B. Okay, now the batteries are communicating together. And now we need to select the communicating of the battery with the inverter. So the communicating port of the inverter and the battery is already connected. Now we use the communicating port connect with the PC and the first battery. And we need to make sure that the first battery here is number 0. And we plug into the RS485B. Okay, we open the BMS app of JK BMS. Alright, you can see here's the device 0, and you need to make sure that the first battery is device 0, and the following batteries, the ADS, the number can be, you can choose which one you like, but the numbers should be different. And here you see is number 2, so here device number 2. This is the status of the second battery. And let's see the third battery here. Okay, now the batteries is already parallel together. And now let's see whether the batteries and the inverter is also communicating together. Now the inverter and the battery is already connected. You can see the display screen on the third-year inverter. Here is the SOC, 66%. And you can see here is a green light, and the inverter is working normal. And the lithium BMS. Here you can see the discharge current limit is 510 ampere hours. So it shows each batteries are parallel already, and they are also communicating with the third-year inverter normally. So this is all the informations about the communications between the batteries and the communication between the batteries and the third-year inverter. So if you find this video helpful, please leave your comments on our comment section, and we are great to be here to help you. And thank you for watching this video. See you next time.